The Hidden Valley Desert House is a long pavilion-like residence that incorporates elements of a floating canopy over a simple base. The house sits on a small hill covered in saguaro groves, oriented south to take advantage of views of the Phoenix Valley to the west, the mountains to the southeast, and Continental Mountain to the east. On the east side, the landscape is unique with cholla fields growing on pink shale, creating a rare geological combination. The base of the house follows the natural contours of the site at an elevation of approximately 2,450 feet, integrating the house with the surrounding ecosystem. A large canopy over the base serves as primary shade while meeting the energy and water needs to make the house environmentally friendly with near-zero emissions. The canopy structure is supported by distributed massing cores, minimizing glass for thermal efficiency while framing strategic views to the north, south, east, and west. The base of the basement creates a voluminous cave-like space, while the upper level is an open space that blurs the boundaries between interior and exterior, totaling 2,000 SF for interior space and 1,000 SF for shaded outdoor space. The base materials consist of stepped local concrete brick walls and an integral colored concrete deck covered with a monolithic stucco such as Verratti. The canopy is stainless steel with a deep milled fascia that not only filters the solar panels but also reflects the surrounding landscape and sky. The underside of the canopy is clad in a theatrical black gauze that creates a soft shading effect while concealing the wood framing structure, sound and thermal insulation. The core of the house is finished in layered materials such as cold-rolled steel, sustainable ebonized MDF, rich light resin paper, and purple-black Wabi-Sabi plaster with vermiculite, creating harmony with the canopy above. For the clients, the home was designed to simplify their lifestyle while creating an ideal environment for their pets, including birds, koi fish, Rhodesian ridgeback dogs, and one cat. This residence accommodates a very specific way of living with perfect integration between interior and exterior spaces.